Okay, so this is another one, second order differential equation. Okay, this I'm going to check about the solution types. Okay, second order differential equations in the form of a d squared y over dx squared plus b dy over dx plus cy is equal to 0. Are we clear? So today let's check only the solution types. Are we clear? For the solution types, we have different roots. Are we clear? We have different roots, same roots, and complex roots. Okay, so let's take the different roots. Let's take the different roots. For the different roots, it's in an expression form of y is equal to ae m1 x plus be m2 x. Is it clear? So what you have to notice is that one, you have different answers. Are we clear? You have what? Different answers. So for the same root, let's check this question. D squared y over dx squared plus 5 dy over dx plus 6y is equal to 0. Are we clear? So this is how the question is going to be. It's going to be in the form of this. Okay, it's late and then I have to do sharp and then do some other stuff, so please slow down the video if you don't understand something. So this is how the question is going to be given to you. You have, first and foremost, what are you supposed to do? You express this in an auxiliary form. Okay, express it in a quadratic equation. In quadratic. Are we clear? You express this in what? Quadratic. Okay, so expressing it in quadratic, you use the m, okay, or any variable like that. Because we use the m here, we have to simplify through by m. Okay, so in the quadratic is in the form of what? Ax squared plus bx plus c. You remember that thing here? So what's the coefficient of the dy dx here? It is 1, so we get what? M squared, or 1m squared, okay, plus what? The coefficient of the dy here is 5m. Are we watching? Plus the constant 6. The one here 1, so 1m squared plus 5m plus what? 6 is equal to what? 0. Then you solve this quadratic equation. Okay, on your calculator, you get it to be x1 is going to be equal to -2 and x2 is going to be equal to -3. Okay, so you have to create an equation that when you solve, you get -2 and what? -3. So the first x1 will give you what? -2. Are we watching? So the equation becomes positive here, so you get what? M plus 2 m plus what? 3 is equal to 0. You put it on your calculator, you get these answers. So let's do the m1. m1 plus 2 is going to be equal to what? 0. So m1 is equal to what? -2, the one you got on the calculator. So the equation has to be positive in order to get a what? The negative. And when it's negative, you have to do it in order to get a what? The positive. Is it clear? So let's check the m2. m2 plus 3 is also equal to what? 0. So m2 is equal to what? -3. Now you've gotten your m1 and m2. Come and put it into the what? The different root expression. So y is equal to ae. What do you get for the m1? -2x plus be. What do you get for the m2? -3x. Are we clear? So this is for the different roots. Simple. So slow down the video and watch. Okay, so this is for the different roots. Let's try another question that has a different root. Okay, let's try this. We have d squared y over dx minus 7 dy over dx plus 12y is equal to 0. So the first thing is you express it in a quadratic. What is here? 1. So you have what? M squared minus 7m plus what? 12 is equal to what? 0. Then you solve this quadratically. Are you watching? Quadratically, on your calculator, you get x1 to be positive, right? So when you get your x1 to be positive, when you get the x1 to be positive, you have to make your equation what? Negative. Is it clear? So we get what? On the focus. Yo. What you focus to do? So we get what? Since it's positive, you have to make your equation negative. We get m minus 3. So in order for us to get the correct answer, like the one on the calculator, you punch this on the calculator, you get x1 to be positive 3. So you create your equation to make it negative over here. So maybe I solve a linear equation, a positive. Okay. And then this one becomes m minus what? 4 to be equal to what? 0. So your m1 minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So m1 is equal to 3. And your m2 becomes what? m2 minus 4 is equal to what? 0. So m2 is equal to what? 4. Then you put it inside because you got different answers, you have to keep the expression in your head. So y is equal to ae m1x, remember, plus be m2x. So what do you get for the m1? Y is going to be equal to ae 3x plus what? Be 4x. This is the second order differential equation for different roots. I'll do another video explaining the same rules, so please share and then subscribe. Share it to your friends so that we all get it and understand it. It's nothing difficult, just understand the steps. Is it clear? So see you guys next in the same roots, and I'll give you questions to try out. Check my group. Okay.